iGoSmartPro is the most versatile suction-mounted accessory arm on the market. Capable of securely mounting smartphones, tablets, digital cameras, action cameras, and more, iGoSmartPro seamlessly fits into your daily routine. Installing the iGoSmartPro suction cup mount couldn't be easier and works on both flat and lightly curved surfaces. On flat surfaces, first wipe the surface with a clean microfiber towel to remove any dust or debris. Place the suction cup mount onto the clean surface. Apply firm pressure while lowering the locking suction arm, and that's it! Your iGoSmartPro suction mount is now ready to use. For slightly curved surfaces like some windshields or car panels, use the iGoSmartPro Nano Q gel pad ring for perfect suction every time. Simply wipe the surface with a clean microfiber towel, peel off the backing of the pad, and stick it to your desired mounting location. Massage the pad to remove any air bubbles that may have formed. For best results, allow the pad to sit for 24 to 48 hours. Next, peel off the front sticker and place the iGoSmartPro suction mount onto the pad. With firm pressure, lower the locking suction arm, and your iGoSmartPro suction mount is ready to use. When you're done, the iGoSmartPro gel pad ring and suction mount cleanly uninstall from any surface residue-free, and they're safe to use on both glossy and matte finishes. The gel pad rings can be washed and reused, providing secure suction every time. The iGoSmartPro suction mount includes features to mount a number of different products and accessories. Whether you're mounting your phone in your car, working from home, or getting the perfect shot, the iGoSmartPro suction mount is ready for action. So wherever you go, go with iGoSmartPro.